last, we need 3 eggs and 1 cup of milk and half a cup of oil. Now it's time to crack these eggs. I'll wash my hands after this.
Oops. Good.
Next.
There you go.
Yeah, there. But the other ones are set. Now to get the other one. That's cracked enough. Perfect.
Time to wash your hands.
Yep. I'll be back. Little Cooker out. Back from the bathroom and squeaky clean.
Alright.
I even did my nails. We're gonna pour in the mixer. Doing funfettis.
Funfetti.
Funfettis. So pouring in the eggs. We decided to use milk instead of water. This one is very small and easier to hold. This is just my warm up. And dump the skabump. And the other one to dump skabump.
Sour spilt milk, right?
Dump spagump.
Alright, now what do we do? I'll clean that up.
We mix.
Alright.
Fifth.
Alright.
Fishy. Breaking out the egg yolks. I learned from John Cannell.
Really? It's so nice to have John Cannell when you don't have a mommy who can. Poor orphan boy making cake pops for the first time. I'm sorry, I can't help myself. Don't worry, that won't go in the video.
Fast. Hold the bowl, please.
Here, I'll hold the bowl.
Thanks, mighty whisperer.
I am
Awesome.
the guy from the void who is outside the camera.
That isn't the void. That's outside the camera.
Scrape down the sides?
Mm.
Yeah, there you go, all the way along it.
Not a Gotta get the mix in. Thanks for holding the bowl, by the way, Stan.
I want to overmix, alright?
Yeah, we don't.
Scooping up the bottom stuff for you, okay.
Mix it. Can I taste this after? Oh, no, thanks. I forgot.
Okay.
I don't feel like Little Cooker today.
Oh no.
I might need my apron. That's better. Now we need a pan to make it in. Oh. Brian. Little Cooker ASMR. I like this. Now we gotta spread it out even. If only we had a bowl. Oh, hey! A bowl! The cake is done, so we dump it in the bowl.
Careful now.
My brother's helping. Chop, 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 chop. And there we go. Here, a nice cake in this bowl. Gotta press it up. This is what it looks like, and we're gonna roll it in balls. Now we have to dip them in the coating. Over here. Chocolate. First we need to put them on popsicle sticks. Oh, cool. There. Evenly coated. That. One is done. Seems like they need something. Aha! Sika. Now mix it.
Yeah.
And that's how to make cake box.